Okay, so I am currently at work. I have a full-time job, but I'm a part-time day trader. And I only stick to London season, so I would trade during the London season because that is when my pay is moving. I focus on trading one pay GBPUSD, and it's going well, despite the fact that I just lost the trade due to ego. It just shows that you can have a solid strategy, you can have like great rules to entry. Like my top 3 confirmations was to enter. I trade supply and demand, so on 5 minutes. So I look for small moves in the market, and that is working for me. I don't care how other traders trade. I first look for a break of structure, and then I will draw my zone, and when price respects my zone, that's when I enter. So what happened in this trade was, it actually worked out exactly how I planned it was going to be. And it's jumped because I didn't make money, even though my plan, it went into my direction, it went according to the plan. It played out within 15 minutes. I would have been up $200. I have a target of $100 per day. And it's just crazy for me, and I just want to document my emotion. Like I'm feeling a bit better now emotionally, because I was gonna come in here and I'm at work, but I went to the meeting room now, and then guys came in here to fix the aircon. So I had time to calm down. But before this, I actually wanted to make a video of my raw emotions, how I was feeling, because I felt disappointed, I felt angry, and my ego was bruised, my confidence also, because now I had a plan. The plan played out. It happened just, but I did not make money. How is that possible? That comes really, for one thing, I closed my trade when I saw that one candle went against me. And that is, the reason for that was basically purely, I was afraid of losing. I was scared of losing the trade. Even though I have confidence in my strategy, I was afraid of losing, and I closed early, and I wasn't going to re-enter because I was down 5 pips. My initial plan was, I also had a very solid risk to reward ratio of 1:3, and then I was stopped out basically on this trade. But I have a small account, so I am focusing on stacking up my account, growing the account. So losing trades for me, whenever I lose one trade, I'm not going to re-enter. That is my rule. My trading plan states that you only trade the London Open, and when the market goes against your direction, you stop trading. You don't force trades, you don't overtrade. So not wanting to lose can really mess up your thinking, mess up your mind when you're in a live trade, because now you don't stick to your trading plan. You're more focused on, you get distracted by the feeling of not wanting to lose. Now I'm still battling with this inside. I haven't overcome this, because it's not a nice feeling to be wrong. I don't like to be wrong. But in the market, you're never going to be right all the time. Even though my plan was playing out, the trade played out exactly to TP. It's just crazy how you can be in a trade and lose, even though the trade played out, but because of ego. Ego is the thing that will make or break you in trading. And if you haven't, like, I've done a lot of courses on technical analysis, and I would say I have my risk management sorted as well. Still learning, still developing, but I have an understanding. I know how to implement it. But when it comes to the ego, it's an ongoing process. So this is the reality of day trading, of forex trading, being a day trader. And I have to focus on the bigger process, trust the full process. This is one trade. It's not the end of my trading career. It's just one trade. The next trade might be a winner or a loser, because you never know what the market's going to do, even if you have this great plan. But what is still good for me, for my confidence, is the fact that how I planned the trade, it played out. Even though I messed up badly with cutting losses too early and not allowing the winners to run. That is something. It's easy for someone to say, just follow your plan. But if you're in a live trade and you haven't overcome the fear of losing, that's gonna be damn hard. So yeah, I was just thinking of sharing my feelings and my emotions, journaling where I am at in my career.